The poem that we are going to study today is Fire and Ice. It has been written by Robert Frost. Robert Lee Frost was an American poet. His work was initially published in England before it was published in America. He is known for his realistic depictions of rural life and nature. He was awarded with Pulitzer Prize for Poetry and Congressional Gold Medal. This is a symbolic poem. Here, fire is a symbol of desire and increasing wants and wishes of people. The second is ice. It is a symbol of hate, when people dislike each other. In this poem, the poet is talking of the times and reasons when the earth will come to an end. He compares the two. The first paragraph. Some say the world will end in fire. Some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. It means people say that earth will end because of their unlimited wants and desires. And some people say it will end because of their hatred for each other. According to the poet's experience, poet also thinks that the earth will end because of desires, that is fire. Second paragraph. But if it had to perish twice, perish means to end, to finish. I think I know enough of hate to say that of destruction, ice is also great and would suffice. Suffice means it is sufficient. Now let us start with the meaning. The poet says that if the earth will destroy once more, the reason behind it will be hatred among the people, called it as ice here. The poet thinks that hatred is also a sufficient reason to destroy the earth. Rhyme scheme, all of you know. For rhyme scheme, we see the last words of each line. So, in this poem, fire, desire, and again fire are rhyming. So, we will categorize them as A. Secondly, ice, twice, again ice, and suffice are rhyming. So, they will be considered B. Hate and great are rhyming. So, they are C. The rhyme scheme that comes up is AB, AA, BC, BCB. There are 5 major literary devices in this poem. The first one is enjambment. The continuation of a sentence without a pause beyond the end of a line or a couplet or a stanza is called enjambment. The examples of enjambment here are the first 2 lines. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. And last 4 lines. I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction, ice is also great and would suffice. These are the examples for enjambment. The second is alliteration. The use of the same letter or sound at the beginning of the words that are close together is called alliteration. The examples of alliteration are some say, so S is repeated again and again. World will, W is repeated again and again. Favor fire, so F is repeated again and again. The third is anaphora. When a word or a phrase is repeated again and again in various lines, it is anaphora. The example of anaphora in this poem is some say. It is repeated in first 2 lines. The next one is assonance. It is the repetition of identical or similar vowel sound in a series of words, phrases, or syllables. There are 2 examples of assonance. I think I know enough of hate. Here I and O are repeated again and again. Another example is I hold with those who favor fire. Here O is repeated again and again. The last one is personification. When the non-human objects are portrayed in such a way that we feel they have the ability to act like human beings. Here fire and ice both are inanimate objects and they are presented like living objects. That's all. I hope this explanation will prove to be of great help to you. And for more videos, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.